welcome back to Alaska Woodyard, everyone.
Hi.
Hope everyone's doing great. Well, this is a short midweek video for us. We're going to try. So we have the excavators you heard in the last video. So it's a case 220. Jill's done some filming on that. When I've been up on the hill, it's quite a ways up there. So she just stayed down here and been piling wood. That is a 54,000 pound machine, 125 horsepower. If anyone's interested in that. And to me, that's about the smallest excavator we use on our big construction projects up here when I was working road construction. So most of our machines were more than double that size. So it actually does seem like a mini to me.
To me, it looks scary.
So my neighbor said that machine is huge. To somebody that's been around a mini all their whole lives, it probably is. But anyway, we are busy with the firewood, and Jill's got some news on the firewood sales and what some of our customers we're finding out are preferring.
They are preferring the stacked wood. They know exactly what they're getting. They're asking for a third of a cord, a half a cord, a full cord. They can see it lined up. If they're wanting dry wood or the fresh processed wood, they know exactly what they're getting.
So, and they also come in and even some of our older customers, it's hard to envision what a third of a cord is laying on the ground or in a pile, a big pile like this behind us. So Jill has third of a cords piled up, half cords, and of course if they want a full cord, we just take 3 rows or 2 rows. It gives them a better idea of the volume. A lot of people actually, believe it or not, are new to burning wood. Energy prices here in Alaska have skyrocketed this last year. We don't understand why. Gas is still coming up 20 cents a gallon. Diesel's $4 in the city now and keeps coming up. And natural gas has gone through the roof. So I think that's why the firewood business has been kind of picking up. We have a lot of new customers, new time firewood burners, even some elderly people that have always lived in town on natural gas have now put in a wood stove. So good.
But I think a lot of it too is that as people get older, they don't have the time or the energy to go out and cut down trees and wait for it to season. Where here they can look at it and pick it up, we can test it for them, and they know exactly what they're getting, whether it's seasoned wood or fresh processed wood.
So yeah, it's a lot of work. A lot of you know that cutting and limbing the wood in the woods on a small scale is okay, but when you start doing it large volume cords every day, it can be pretty tiring, exhausting work. So we understand why a lot of our customers now have quit cutting, and they admit, like I do, we're getting older. There's other better fish to fry, I guess is the expression we use here in Alaska, because and there's other things I'm doing. I enjoy the excavator work this week. It's going to give me a pretty big break. I still love moving dirt, mainly with a dozer, but I'll take an excavator too. And after retiring 44 years in the business, I do still miss it, but I like being home here, doing the work in the yard and being with my beautiful wife.
You have to say that.
Oh yeah, why wouldn't I want to be home? She's always full of energy, and we have a lot of fun working together too. For the most part, we have our differences and our little spats, but nothing serious, and we do have a lot of fun together. So that makes it very enjoyable. So we hope you enjoy the short video today. And like I said, we have a few clips. I did walk around the excavator just briefly, and then Jill had a few shots, and I used it to move some wood for her. And today, for our next video, we're going to actually try to fill some bags with the excavator. That'll be a
just don't hit me.
Yeah, a rodeo or whatever. Yeah, so we'll have that in the next video coming up this weekend, and I'll have hopefully have some good video of me pushing down some big cottonwood trees. That machine pushes those right over.
Hi everyone. I thought I would bring you along today and let you see what Jeff is up to. He is working on our road that goes back over the hill for our moose hunting. We decided we needed it a little bit more touch-up. So I will swing this around and let you see what he's doing. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a case. He's in a Tonka toy, playing in dirt. He's been throwing over a whole lot of gravel. This is really nice gravel for going around the shop and for any other things that we need to put some extra gravel around. So he's got a nice pile there, but he's just over there digging to beat the band. I don't think he's working. On the other hand, I've been over here stacking more wood. That's been my job for the last 2 days. Yeah, nah, that's not happening. Oh yeah, there's a bucket. He's moving dirt. Well, it looks like he's coming down off of the hill now. Let me walk around. And of course, he got his tractor going. We finally got the part back, and he's happy as a little lark. As you can see, it's a case, a CX 220E, and this is just a rental. We get it for a week. Now after you put all that dirt down here, he's got to pick up all those big rocks. Yeah, he's waving. Looks like he's got his thumb on his bucket. He's like a kid in a candy store. Okay, well, it looks like Jeff is going to get me a load of stacked wood. Now that's how you do it. That's how you move the cut and split, so I can turn around and stack it. I guess he wants me to keep working tonight. Guess he wanted that pallet out of the way. Okay. I thought I'd let you see that not only can he operate the case, but he still remembers how to operate his tractor. And as you can see, I have been piling wood. Every time I get some piled up, we sell half a cord, a full cord. This is all of our dry stuff that I'm pulling out of the pile and stacking. And then over here is the wet, where I just processed it from Buzz when he brought that.
Give you a quick view here this early evening. Still a little snow on King Mountain. It's slowly coming down, our termination dust. But a beautiful evening here. And we'll swing around, and Miss Jill is still piling wood. It's 6:30 in the evening. She's still going. Well, this is our excavator we got. It's a Case 220. So this is a fairly new machine. It only has 590 hours. It rolls 600 hours today. I got both buckets with it and a thumb. That's the clean out bucket for doing grading and topsoil. Then I have the digging bucket. Yukon Equipment. They're a case dealer. And this is the first time I've rented a case. It's the same machine basically as a link belt, which I used to own. Of course, these newer ones have got a lot more electronic buttons, and this machine has the Deft, which I would never buy a new one. So as you can see, Jill's been busy stacking the wood, and I moved some over with the excavator, and she's been stacking it. This is the next morning, so she's been busy, and we've been selling wood. So all this is gone the last 2 days, and we actually have customers coming today. So that's all of her hard work. Well, we hope you enjoyed our short video today. We'd like to thank everyone for coming along today, and we keep the sawdust flying in Alaska Woodyard.
And thanks for coming along.